Wow, dude, totally. Isn't that so pretty? Look at the blues and then the blues, the spicy background. Yeah, I love it, man. Okay, we're switching over that to go over here. Look, this needs some kerning right there. See, because that's also just a space, but that looks like it's almost all one word. Okay, I'm a total nerd, or I'm pretending to be a typography nerd today. Yes, I'm Haley from wickedwix.com, as you can see in the wonderful slide over here. So, I stopped showing this every day because I found that sometimes it was wildly inaccurate. However, one thing that is fun is it's pretty. And especially with the lion background, it's very pretty. So, but moving on, as of when I refreshed this was like 15 minutes old. It's probably like 20 now. I have no idea. 1.1 magnitude earthquake in Southern California near San Bernardino National Forest. Apparently, I can't read 19.5 kilometer depth, so probably the only people who felt it were probably the instruments. Strongest earthquake today, well, last 24 hours anyway. Patozoy, Bolivia, 4.8 magnitude earthquake. Also pretty deep, so, but that one was probably felt. Let's see if we can find out real quick. So you click on that. I cannot pronounce any words today. And I do not even see a did you feel it. No, there it is. See, I can never read those maps, can I? And apparently there's no responses. So maybe nobody lives there, or the people who live there don't have internet access. I have no idea. Moving on to the lovely map where we have red flag warning, flood warning, extreme fire danger, also flood. I have no idea. What is this? High wind warning, lake shore advisory, something, short-term forecast. Who knows? There we go. That's what that purple is. It's a gale warning. Isn't that like a hurricane type thing? I have no idea. Yeah. Oh, so maybe that's how we can find out what is this dark purple. There we go. Storm warning. See, because if you click on it directly, here's what you get. This thing where it doesn't tell you what on earth any of these things mean. That's right. Anyway, moving on. Drought monitor. Texas is not a complete blob of exceptional drought anymore these days, and looks like it's the same thing as yesterday, where there's a smidge of abnormally dry, and here is who is going to be getting some rain in the next 5 days. And again, as is often the case, not Texas. Got 3.6 inches up there, 3.8, what is that, a 6.7 down there, so, you know, tip of Florida, hey, you get some rain, but you're not in a drought, you don't need it. 12 locations, 12 of these river and creek type gaugey things are in a flood. The 2 are still in North Dakota. The 2 in the major flood are still in North Dakota, as it were. There is pretty much nothing going... Whoops, I did not mean to zoom in. I meant to do that. That's all greens. This is what it looks like when there's not a whole lot of severe weather happening. It's greens across the board, so when we look at that, chance of wind, chance of hail, chance of tornadoes apparently not really high today at all. Also tomorrow, same thing. But we've got Irwin spinning around until he dies. As a tropical depression was heading towards Mexico, and they said, no way, I'm going to turn around. I don't want to go that way. Not a whole lot yet to talk about down here. 20% chance with broad low pressure system. And then a 10% chance back there. Hey, I should totally like edit out all the flubbing. That is the French way to flub a thing. Also, you know, you'd go... That's a weird thing. I try to sound like I'm talking backwards. Anyway, yeah. I don't know where I am. I think if I click that... Nope. Now we go completely out. Apparently I need to set that or something. I don't know. Wicked Wix. It's a site. Or you go over here and you say wrckWX.com. Right, you take it easy now.